Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Michael here from N.O.V.A Unboxing, where we help you to make decisions in buying budget smartphone. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you what's on my smartphone. I'm currently using the iTel S15, and I'll leave a link in the iCard or in the description to the video of the unboxing and review of this device. Now let's get to what is in my phone. I'm going to do a screen record, and you'll see it on your screen right now. So first of all, we are going to see the wallpaper is from Twitter. I will leave a link in the description to where you can get the app, to where you can get the wallpaper. It is from a guy called N.O.V.A something. I forgot him, but I'll leave a link in the description. So first of all, we have YouTube, which I use. That what takes most of my time. I used to learn stuff and watch other creators' videos like this. We have Twitter. Yes, Twitter. I use Twitter just to read tweets and chat with my siblings. Also, we have DSTV app where I watch Cartoon Network. Cartoon Network. Yes, I watch cartoon. Regular show. If you're a fan, collect it. Your head is there. Collect it. We have N.O.V.A for bike rides. We have Play Store, Gmail, and Audiomack. We have Audiomack to download music. Scrolling up, we have YouTube. So we have Google Assistant. We have Maps Go. We have Chrome. We have Accelerate. We have AdSense. We have App Freeze, and we have Audio to Text, which you can use to change audio to text. We have Bible. I read my Bible. I use it in the church, but there's somebody in my church that does not allow me to be using phone as Bible. Why? Cannot. God. Sorry. If you are watching this, sorry. We will meet on Sunday. I will use it and read Bible. We have Big Fix for cryptocurrency. We have Bolt, which I use in college, not in Lagos. We have Boom Play that comes with the phone, which I cannot uninstall. We have calculator, we have calendar, we have camera, we have Camon app to connect your Canon camera to your phone, but it's not my camera, it's my cousin. Go back now, go back. Go! We have clock, we have color notes, where I scripted my iPhone X. We have contact, we have create your own future by Brain Trancy. I will recommend that book for you. We have dark mode, which you can use for Instagram, but I don't really like it. I hate that. I don't know why I don't like dark mode on Instagram. It's not useful. It's not worth it. Don't blame me for my own opinion. I don't like dark mode for Instagram. We have Discord, and downloaded it to join Elliot's Joy Discord chat room. We have the DSTV Now app where I watch cartoons. I told you earlier. We have Duolingo. Sha. It is an app where you can learn languages. We have Eyowo, like you can see it is a Yoruba kind of logo. Sorry. It is an app where you can use to save money. We have Fast Save to save Instagram videos and pictures. We have File Manager that came with the phone. We have Find Device. We have FM Radio. We have Gallery. We have Google AdSense. No, we have Google Ads, not AdSense, for promoting stuff on Google or YouTube or anything. We have Instagram. We have JForce. We have Jumia. Don't forget the Black Fridays, this Jumia Black Fridays. We have Jumia deals, we have Jumia One, we have Kahoot. That's what on my device do. Jumia One is to buy data. Kahoot is I downloaded it because of Eric Okafor's giveaway. Don't mind me. I later it was not worth downloading. So we have Kudi to transfer money. Library is like YouTube but not YouTube. I don't recommend it. We have Libmots where you can get discounts on interstate road traveling in Nigeria. We have Facebook Lite. Yes, I'm still on Facebook. I look at all those share this to 1 million people, but I don't share it. Do you hear me? I don't share it. We have live transcribe, we have messages, we have more story to upgrade your Instagram story, like how you use your Instagram stories. We have my DSTV app where you can clear error codes for your DSTV, pay for your DSTV, and check when your DSTV is going to expire. We have Naira Box where you can purchase movie tickets and event tickets. We have NBA Live where I play NBA, you know. We have OPay for rides, Okada rides, bike. Don't mind me. We have Overcome Your Fear. That is a book I recommend too. You can get it on the Play Store. And we have Palm Store. I mostly see this on iTel and Infinix phones. Why? But I don't use it. We have PDF reader. You know what PDF reader is used for. We have phone to make calls. We have phone manager. We have Piggyverse where you can save your money. We have play games. We have Plex to watch videos like this. Put old movies there. Like by the 21st century, I will say. People should have sense. We have Power Master. I don't use it. We have Productivity app, which is good for you. I use it once in a blue moon. Don't blame me. We have barcode scanner, QR and barcode scanner. Yes, I use that a lot every day. We have Twitter, save Twitter videos to save Twitter videos, as you can see from the name of the app. We have Self-Made Millionaire, which you can use. It is a book I recommend for you to read. We have settings. We have Shazam Lights, which doesn't take enough of this bit. And Snapchat. I downloaded Snapchat not to be doing. I downloaded it because I want to be looking at Mayokun's Snapchat today. We have voice recorder. We have Space Desk Beta for you to use your smartphone or your tablet as a second screen for your PC or monitor. If you want to see that video, kindly comment below. We have status saver for WhatsApp. We have stickers maker for WhatsApp to make WhatsApp stickers. We have super sports to know football or any kind of sport. We have thumbnail maker for YouTube where I can use to make thumbnail for your YouTube videos. We have TikTok. I did not sign up though. I downloaded it this past Sunday. I did not sign up, just watching videos, but videos are not for me. I don't like their kind of content. That's why I'm always on YouTube. We have TubeBuddy. But it's not like the desktop only, just for you to see what's going on. We have Twitter. Yeah. Twitter. We have Udemy where I take courses, different courses though. You can take courses on video editing, digital marketing, graphic design, anything. Content creation, anything. Front-end web development, anything. We have video converter, compress your video, but it's not going to be all that good. We have video downloader for Twitter too. In case that one is misbehaving, you can just use this one. We have Vlog 8, where I used to use it to edit videos on my channel before. Until I came to Lagos and I started using my cousin's PC to edit my videos. That's why for the past 2 or 3 videos, the video quality has been good. We have WhatsApp. Yes, we have WhatsApp. As you can see, I signed up for Silent King's makeover class in August. He's a good guy. Yes. Then we have Wi-Fi router manager, which you can use to kick out people from Wi-Fi that somebody logged you into. You can kick out people. You can change the password of the Wi-Fi. But don't do that at home. I'm not going to leave a link in the description to this app. We have Wish. I'm afraid of this app. You can't pay online now before you reach Nigeria to take like 24 years. I don't want that. We have Zenda. We have X Recorder. I use this because it can save audio of your whole body. Screen recorder on the phone doesn't do that. Then I'm just using the main screen recorder on the phone just to show you what's on the screen. And we have YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio to reply comments faster on the go. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you really like this video. Tell me what's your favorite app on this my Momo phone. Thanks for watching. Before I leave this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace.